Fix missing fonts in Photoshop. A step-by-step guide to resolving missing font issues. Why are fonts missing in Photoshop? Fonts might be missing due to incomplete font installation, corrupt font files, using non-standard fonts, system updates resetting font libraries. Quick fix 1. Steps. Check installed fonts. 1. Open Control Panel, Windows, Fontbook, Mac. 2. Search for the missing font. 3. Reinstall the font if not present. Quick fix 2. Sync Adobe fonts. 1. Open Creative Cloud Desktop app. 2. Click Fonts and turn on Font Sync. 3. Relaunch Photoshop. Quick fix 3. Reset Photoshop preferences. 1. Open Photoshop. 2. Go to Edit greater than Preferences greater than General. 3. Click Reset Preferences on Quit. 4. Restart Photoshop. Quick fix 4. Replace missing fonts manually. 1. Open the Photoshop file. 2. If prompted, click Resolve Fonts. 3. Choose an available replacement font. 4. Save your changes. Advanced fix. Reinstall Photoshop. 1. Backup all your files. 2. Uninstall Adobe Photoshop. 3. Reinstall using Adobe Creative Cloud. Conclusion. Stay creative without font issues. 1. Install and manage fonts properly. 2. Keep Creative Cloud updated. 3. Regularly backup Photoshop preferences.